Hello, my name is Lucy. Today I will talk about how FOE can help a company be better in today's industry. The company I choose is Qantas Airways, which is the flag carrier of Australia. First, let's have some basic information about Qantas. Qantas is the second oldest airline in the world, that having been founded in November 1920. With the developing and operating, Qantas has become the Australia's largest domestic and international airline. Until now, Qantas has operated a number of passenger airlines, which include Australia Asia Airlines, Impulse Airlines, Australia Airlines, Jetstar Airways, and Jet Connect. At first, Qantas only focused on the domestic flights, but in the May 1937, Qantas began international passenger flights. Now, Qantas flies to 20 domestic destinations and 21 international destinations in 14 countries across Africa, America, Asia, Europe, and the ocean. The Qantas Group serves 65 domestic and 31 international destinations. Qantas has also been regarded as the world's leading long-distance airline and one of the strongest brands in Australia. This chart shows Qantas business trend. From this one, there is one thing making me interesting is the number of passengers has always increased. It's here. Oh, sorry. The number of passengers has always increased year by year, and it will continue grow in the future. This let me think Qantas is a good company that can maintain and gain the customers. Under my research and personal experience, I think Qantas is one of the FOE companies in the world. FOE is the meaning of form of adamant. The main idea of FOE is the share of heart. Unlikely to the traditional business mood, the company not put the profit as the first goal. The FOEs put the love to all the stakeholders as the first target of their business performance. By the book, the FOEs will be the trend of future and will create a whole new world. It prints the FOE is a company that endears itself to stakeholders by bringing the interests of all stakeholder groups into strategic alignment. It can bring value to all stakeholders, which is not just about stakeholders and the investors, but also for their employee, customer, suppliers, and the society. Next, we will talk about how Qantas to be a good FOE company in the world. I like the word Qantas said on their website. Our commitment to a healthy, safe, and secure environment for our people and customers. For aviation, safety is the most important thing. It's a good thing that Qantas set the safety as their first priority. This word also can show Qantas care about their people and customers. Qantas points that every employee in the Qantas Group is a custodian of their reputation for excellence and integrity, which a responsibility to uphold the standard and the value they represent. At print at book, creates a culture can help a company and employees build the relationship. Qantas aims to build an inclusive, diverse, and resilient culture to maximize engagement, the performance. There are 4 ways that can show Qantas pay attention to their employees. First, the work on the air is nervous and need to pay attention all the time. The hard work is not only for the airplane captain, but also for all the train crews. Their work is to make sure the safety fly and try the best to satisfy their customer while flying. Thus, Besides the normal training, Qantas also providing training to their leaders to give them the skill to identify and respond to mental health issues in the workplace to ensure their people's mental health when doing their work. They create a pilot assistance network, which is a confidential pilot helping pilots program to help crew and their family deal with the stress and other health issues. Second, Qantas encourages their people to report safety and security-related matters. This shows Qantas respect their people's feeling and always put safety at first. As Qantas said, each employee deserves respect, trust, and good leadership. Third, they have streamlined the management of injuries. For instance, they providing on-site physiotherapy. This ensures their people feel fit to return to work sooner. Fourth, Qantas do good motivation for their people. Qantas strategy focuses on providing their people with comprehensive product and service that match their needs at every step of their employees' journey, so that they can deliver exceptional customer service and business value. This includes providing the right training, tools, equipment, and service, and building a diverse and inclusive environment where their people serve. There are two outcomes that Qantas want to achieve. The first one is an inclusive people experience where their people feel they belong and are valued and can reach their full potential. This can help their people believe that they are part of the team and are confident in expressing their ideas. The second one is diversity in the organizations and the ways of working. Enhance the talent pool and ensure greater diversity of thought behind business decisions. Qantas set value in bring together people of different gender, age, culture, education, and experience, and leverage their different perspectives to challenge each other to be the best and do more than Qantas thought possible. Through this, Qantas can learn from different perspectives to deliver better solutions for their people and customers. I think all the Qantas provide and want to achieve is the way of care and love of their people. Customer is important for any business. Thus, to maintain the loyal customers and gain the new customers is the key to develop the business. Qantas gives the wonderful customer experience to help them keep the blossom their business. There are three things they can do to help them to satisfy their customer. First is the Qantas Frequent Flyer program. This is a program that aimed at rewarding customer loyalty. Customers can earn points by flying as well as by shopping at Woolworths Market. As Woolworths is one of the biggest food market in the Australia, most people buy their food and commodity there. This benefit can help them to gain and maintain the customers. Second is the Qantas Club. Waiting is boring, thus Qantas creates a laundry for their customers to spend their time. At laundry, Qantas provides different kinds of food to satisfy different countries' customers. Qantas also provides the free alcohol to satisfy some customers' need. One thing I think Qantas doing very good is they also provide the bathroom for customers clean before or after long flight. They prepare toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and so on. All of this can help customers relax. Last, the good experience when flying with Qantas. I like fly with Qantas because they provide a good service. For example, Qantas is preparing the socks for customer. When people want to turn off their shoes for relax, it can help customer keep feet clean. Qantas always prepare the cup noodle for customers when required anytime. If customer didn't like the crew meal or still hungry after the meal, they can have a cup noodle. Qantas is also preparing the toothbrush and the toothpaste on the restaurant. I think all they do can show they want to provide a good experience for their customer and can show their care and love. The Qantas board of directors is responsibility for ensuring that Qantas has an appreciation cooperation government's fair work to ensure the creation, protection, and enhancement of shareholders' value. The Qantas Group is committed to comply with all applicable law and regulations and to conducting business with the highest level of ethics and integrity. The following is the some paths Qantas do to be ethic. First is driving ethical business practice. This means they do the decision rely on the ethic. The second is the risk management. It's approach to risk management starts with Qantas' first priority, the safety of customers and people. For instance, Qantas was one of the first airlines to introduce the integrated safety management system. Until now, this system is not just for aviation safety. This system has been integrated aviation operation safety, work health and safety, aviation and cyber security, environment and business resilience, learning from collaboration and shared experience. The next is supply chain assurance. Qantas takes an approach to managing risk in their supply chain. This program helps Qantas understand how their suppliers are producing the goods and services Qantas paid them for, and to make sure they apply with Qantas supplier requirements. This is the way Qantas to ensure their flight safety. The next is anti-bribery and corruption. Qantas have a responsibility not only to meet expanding foreign and domestic anti-bribery regulations, but also to ensure those businesses they operate with integrity. Next is enhance human rights. Qantas respect and support human rights. These following are the issues they focused. The first is the labor rights. Labor standards for employee and the contractor and the supplies workforce. The next is the private rights. It means the protection and the appropriate use of customer data. The next is the diversity and the inclusiveness. This is focused on the gender equal and the career program. The next is transportation of person in custody at the request of government. All of these show Qantas placing ethics at the core of good management and own the responsibility for their duty. Under those research and personal experience, I believe Qantas is a FOE company, and that's the reason Qantas can be one of the biggest brands of Australia. Thank you.